Hello, I am Terri B. Jones coming to you live again with another marketing concept for your product or service. And today's topic is, why should you integrate Facebook Messenger bot to expand your reach and revenue? Okay, now as you see here on the screen, I have two different examples of messages that are used in a bot. One is from CNN where someone says, hey, okay, and then the bot sends back the message, hi there, let's get started. I'll send you top stories every day. Now pick an option below to get started, okay? So you can set something up like that, okay, with your product or service, or you can actually do like the second one if you actually have a physical product such as tennis shoes here, okay? And so the person put in there, hey, what do you think about these? Okay, the person put in $75 to $250 that I'm assuming that they want to spend, okay? And then, all right, the question from the bot comes back to say, what do you think of these? Okay, and then here are the choices that they would get, which is automatically set up by you, which would say, buy this item, see more like this, ask a question, okay? And depending on what that person clicks on, they will actually be sent to another message that you have set up within your bot service, okay? Now, first off, you're saying, whoa, you just went straight in. Okay, yes, I did. So let me go and ask you a question. Do you know what a Facebook Messenger bot is? Okay? Now, if not, let me share it with you, okay? And basically, the Facebook box is just an automated messaging software that uses AI, which is artificial intelligence, to allow you to have conversation with some of the 1.3 billion people who use Facebook Messenger every month, okay? How cool is that? Now, the bot basically is programmed to understand questions and provide answers and execute tasks that you will be setting up, okay? Now, from a customer's view, Facebook Messenger is friendly. It's already a part of the Facebook platform, and it's just a quick way for someone to just type a quick response message to you like they would in a post to a friend, okay? So, since you're already on Facebook, it is definitely time to implement a Facebook Messenger strategy, okay, to start building know, like, and trust for your product or service that leads to what? Sales and increased revenue through this Facebook Messenger bot, okay? So the second thing I want to find out from you is why. Why do you think you should use a messenger bot? Okay, well, I'll answer that question for you. Now, there's a low barrier to entry for both you and the target audience, all right? So Facebook Messenger is the third, okay, most used app in the world, okay? Not city, world. And is used by 68% of app users. That is huge. And it's not just for group chats among friends and family, because a recent Nielsen survey found that people think messaging is the second best way to talk to a business, okay? And then people exchange 2 billion messages with businesses over Facebook Messenger every month. Now, are you included in that 2 billion, okay? Now, compare this to the rest of the mobile app market, where 71% of users delete an app within 90 days. All right? So if you want to communicate with your customers, building a Facebook Messenger bot, it is definitely a lot cheaper than you actually building a mobile app. Okay? Now, the third reason why you should be interested in implementing a Facebook Messenger bot into your strategy is to grow your reach, okay? And the way you would do that is by running ads, okay? People will see your ad in their Messenger app, all right? And when they tap on it, they'll be sent to the destination you choose during your ads creation or a conversation with your business on Messenger. Okay, so you can set it up however you choose to. All right. The second way you will be growing your reach is by identifying needs. Okay, so your bot's greeting can actually identify needs. Ask basic questions like, what's your budget? Okay, and immediately generate a lead for your product or service, because people may buy at the moment, they may not. I have messenger bots that get messages about products or service, and I may buy it right then, or I may wait, till another time. Okay, and the third way to grow your reach is to sell. Okay, with the right script, bots can do the selling for you. Okay, it will yield decreased drop-off rates lower than in a traditional ad sent to your web page. Okay, and also it leaves room for personalized upselling as the bot makes suggestions. Okay, and it's no different than going to McDonald's and buying a Big Mac. And what do they ask you? Would you like fries with that, soda, apple pie? Or if you say, let me get a number one, So anyway, that's basically, you can do the same thing with your Facebook Messenger bot. Okay. Now here's some sample messages also from the Whole Food markets. Okay. Now this one here is like really involved. Okay. So you can search for recipes. You can browse recipes. You can find a store that's close to you. Okay. And then over here you'll see where I have send message. These are the different concepts that can be implemented within your messaging that you set up. You can set up text messaging, images, cards, galleries, lists, audio, videos, PDF files, and just so much. And this is basically with the free concept. You can do these things here. Okay. Now, if you want to go pro and really, ramp it up like they're doing here in this Whole Food markets, where, they have where you can click on all recipes, appetizers, main dishes, salads, which is very involved. You can actually do that. All right. And so, guess what I'm offering to you guys, all right? A Bots for Messenger challenge, all right? So, if you are interested in participating in the challenge, it's going to be a 7-day deal to where we would meet, okay? And I only can actually have up to 7 people in this challenge, okay? Because I do work a full-time job, all right? And so, what we will do is meet and actually get these this bot set up with the messages. All right. And so if you're wanting to be one of those 7, all right, here's the link. https://facebook.info/messenger-bot-challenge. I know that's a lot, but anyway, that is the link. Okay. And so, or you can just email me, at tjandtjenterprise@gmail.com to let me know you want to be one of the 7 to participate in this challenge. All right. So, of course, while you are learning how to build your audience through Facebook Messenger bots, okay, you'll also be able to build income using trafficwave.net, your autoresponder system. So basically, you can tackle 2 in 1, because the same email campaigns that you could set up for your bot, you can also set up in an autoresponder, okay? And just like you can do broadcast with TrafficWave, broadcast message during, for people's birthday or for certain holidays, and you have a new product or what have you, you can do the same thing with a messenger bot, okay? And so, but guess what? I'm going to show you the free concept to use with that. I'll also basically have you right here where you can, for 30 days, you can try out TrafficWave and set up an email campaign. All right. And so anyway, that's what I want to share with you today. Facebook Messenger bot and of course TrafficWave. Go ahead, get started with TrafficWave, $17.95. The Messenger bot is a free concept to use. If you are in the challenge, okay, and I'm going to charge for the challenge, but I just need to know that I have enough people interested in even setting up a challenge, okay? Or if you want to have an email marketing challenge, we could do either or, okay? Or we can do both. And so I just need to have a response back. I'm Terri B. Jones, coming to you live with another marketing concept for your product or service. Enjoy the rest of your day.